Saving money is hard. Not because you, og, but because every time you try to save, it feels like you're losing something. You feel restricted. You feel like you're sacrificing your lifestyle. And that's exactly why most people fail. But what if I tell you, there is a way to save money without feeling the pain at all? A system where money saves itself automatically. Silently. This is called the hidden transfer trick. Most people try to save money like this. They wait till the end of the month and save whatever is left. But here's the truth. There is never anything left because spending always expands. More income, more expenses, and even if you try to save a big amount, your brain resists it because it feels like a loss. And humans naturally avoid loss. That's the real problem. The hidden transfer trick works differently. Instead of saving large amounts, you save very small amounts. Automatically, every single day. So small that your brain doesn't even notice it. That's the secret. Step 1. Open a second bank account. This is very important. Do not use your main account. Step 2. Rename this account. Give it a purpose-driven name like emergency fund or bills account. This creates psychological importance. Step 3. Set up automatic daily transfer. Even a small amount, like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, or any amount you can afford, but make it daily. Not weekly. Not monthly. Daily is the key. Here's where it gets interesting. Your brain reacts differently to small versus large amounts. If you save 5,000 at once, you feel it. If you save 100 daily, you don't even notice it. But over 30 days, that becomes 3,000. Over a year, that becomes a serious amount. And the best part, no stress, no sacrifice, no resistance. Let's understand this clearly. Saving money is not about big actions. It's about consistent small actions. Small daily savings create a habit, and habits create long-term results. Even if the amount feels small, consistency makes it powerful. Let's take a simple example. If you save 200 rupees daily, that's 6,000 per month, 72,000 per year, and most people won't even feel this amount leaving their account. Now imagine increasing it slowly over time. The impact becomes massive. Here's a powerful upgrade. Every 3 months, increase your daily saving slightly. For example, start with 100, then go to 150, then 200. Your brain adapts slowly, so it never feels painful. Mistake 1. Checking your savings account too often. This creates temptation to spend. Mistake 2. Saving too much at the start. This causes burnout. Mistake 3. Stopping the system. Consistency is everything. Most advice tells you to use discipline, but this method uses psychology. You are not forcing yourself. You are designing a system, and systems always win over motivation. If you really want to save money, stop relying on willpower. Start building systems, because when your system is right, money will save itself. Silently, automatically, consistently. Start today, even with a small amount. Because the sooner you start, the faster your future changes. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more smart money ideas, and I'll see ya in the next one.